Ladies and gentlemen, today I'd like to discuss about determinism or free will. Deterministic philosophy, free will or libertarian philosophy. We talk about deterministic, whether man is free or whatever he is doing, he's having a free will or he is already determined and it is running through cause and effect. According to the deterministic, man is not free. Whatever is happening, it is happening through cause and effect. For example, if ball is flying in the air, somebody certainly I hit the ball. I go to bazaar and I'm interested to eat something. Already it is determined in my mind whether I'm going to eat I'm going to eat lunch. In my lunch I'm going to eat rice or I'm going to eat bread. Whatever I am going to eat, it is already determined in my mind. According to deterministic philosophy, we are not free. There are some external and internal forces which are forcing us to take action. The ball is in the air, somebody certainly had hit the ball. On the other hand, we have the free will philosophy, which is also known as libertarian philosophy. According to libertarian philosophy, we are free enough. It all depends upon the action of the agent. He can do whatever he wants. So according to the free will philosophy, man is totally free, agent is totally free, and it is in the hand of the agent to do whatever he wants. So he say, libertarian philosophy say, we are free and it is totally subjective to do whatever we want. We have one of story. You know that we have studied Oedipus Rex. So in Oedipus Rex, Oedipus he heard from somebody that he'll be killing his father and marry his mother. So with his attention, he just ran away from his house and ultimately he met stranger and killed and married strange unknown lady. And later he knows that he had killed his father and married his mother. So it all happened according to philosopher due to the deterministic view. So they say that it is determined in his mind to run away from his home. So this way, this is also according to deterministic view. So according to determinist, whatever we are doing, we are not doing through free will. Rather, we are having under the forces, external and internal forces. For example, I have over here one ball point. So here is a ball point. It's my hand. I can either break it or I can simply throw it. So whatever I'm doing through action. But this action is controlled by determined thought. For example, first idea comes in my mind that I have to simply catch it. So whatever I'm catching or doing with it, it is already determined. Go to bazaar, whether I'm going to buy black shirt or I'm going to buy white shirt, it will be already determined. Some forces or some influence or inspiration will be in my mind and I'll be buying either black or white shirt. So it is not instantly in my mind, rather some forces they are forcing me to do this. So as you know that there is a mental state and then there is a brain state, and overall we have mental state, then brain state, and we have a biological state, and biological state is equal to physical state, and physical state is not free, it's determined. And one of the French philosopher, 18th century French philosopher, so Baron d'Holbach said that we are meant to work like a machine, which we are just already determined, and whatever we are doing, we are doing like a machine. We are already determined and it is happening through cause and effect. Whatever we do, it is already in our mind and we are doing. We are running or we are doing according to the deterministic view. We are not free at all. But the libertarians say, or free will followers say, the people they follow the free will philosophy, they say we are free. Agent is free and agent can do whatever he wants. But determinist philosophy, it looks close to the reality. our mind is having like a pre-conscious, subconscious, like subconscious and conscious and ultimately unconscious. So our mind is having like that, and whatever we feeds in our subconscious, our conscious acts accordingly. So this philosophy, especially deterministic philosophy, it is close to the reality. So according to modern cognitions, or you can say psychology, it follows the modern psychology. As it looks as if whatever happens to due to the idea we feed in the subconscious. I hope you got the point. Don't forget to share with your friend. Stay blessed and have a nice day.